Hey guys, good morning. So this is Wednesday. Yeah, this is Wednesday, and I think I've fully settled in my apartment, and my bedroom looks so nice. I'm so obsessed. I don't know what is happening with my mirror, but I think I'll have to remove it and then they spray it behind again because look at it. The color behind is getting off and I don't like that look. So my mirror was broken and that was a heartbreak. But anyway, I'm just from showering. Okay, I woke up and did some things and then I showered. I'm just from showering and I'm going to sew. I have clothes that I have to sew right now. And guys, my bed came in and look at how nice it is. It is so beautiful, very very beautiful. I love the color, the shape, the height of the head head what headboard, and then look at the flowers, the way they match with my duvet cover. So I'm thinking of getting pillows, many pillows. Like I think I need like 4 more or 3, something like that. So yeah, I was also thinking of getting a bedside table, but I think I'm okay with that for now. I think I'm okay with that. And yeah, so I'm soon giving you a tour. I don't know when I will film it, but it will be soon. So yesterday I unplaited, and guys, I just want my hair to relax, my head, my scalp to relax before I plait. But I don't plan on plaiting soon. So I'm going to be using wigs where necessary. And yeah, so I haven't washed my hair because I think my scalp is paining. So I can't wash it right now. I think I'm going to give it like today and tomorrow, then the following day I will go ahead and do what? I'll go ahead and clean it and wash it. But guys, yeah, this is it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want to.
it's really nice. I didn't expect this, but it's giving vibe. So I'm from the salon and I'm going to eat because we are hungry. But look at that junk. Tally, you know. Look at my friend. She's so cute. So that's it, guys, for today. And yeah, I really like it. I do like it. And I'm going to eat food. And and then edit a video, because I was supposed to upload a video today, but I didn't manage. So I have to edit 2 videos today so that tomorrow I upload, and yeah, I reduce on the number of videos that I have to edit. But anyways, that's it. Bye. Subscribe.